Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to change a headlight in a 2021 Jeep Wrangler. We're doing this today because I hit a deer a few weeks ago and smashed the headlight. So I thought this would be a good opportunity to just get that swapped out with a new one. It's the Mopar OEM standard LED light that comes on these Jeeps. So I just got a replacement for it because the LEDs are really good anyway. So let's get started. As far as tools that you're going to need a ratchet with a 10mm socket. And you're going to need just something to help you take off the clips on the grill. It's really simple and should only probably take about 15-20 minutes. So as you can see, that's what the deer did. Now, did the deer do anything else to it? And the answer is no, it did not. It's just here. I'm not sure what happened, but hit it with a hoof or a knee or something. Not quite sure. Oh, and if you have a diesel, after you drive it, it tends to do that little ring sound for a few minutes. Nothing to be concerned of. Now we're going to take off the clips that hold this grill in place. So let's go ahead and do that. Now that I've taken off the clips, I just need to pull the grill from the Jeep and it should just come right off. The plastic clips hold the top together and then there's just some pressure clips at the bottom. So the only way to take it off is to actually yank it out. So let's give that a shot. Okay, so one thing I didn't know is because I've got this camera because I have this camera, there are a couple other attachments behind this grill that you need to be aware of. So you have the sprayer nozzle, so you want to disconnect that, and then you'd also want to disconnect where the video is in order to get the grill fully off. You don't want to do this prematurely because if you do, you'll rip your camera off, and that I'm sure is more pricey than the headlight itself, which is very pricey, let me tell you. Okay, so now I will pop those off. So now we have fully detached the grill from the Jeep, so now we're free to take it off. Now that we have our grill off, we're going to use a ratchet with a 10mm socket, and we're going to take off these 3 bolts, and then the whole thing should pop out. Okay, now that the bolts are off, we can go ahead and take out the headlight assembly itself. Okay, today we have successfully swapped out a headlight in a JL, and specifically this is a 2021 with a front-facing camera. So there's those two other connections you have to worry about, which is the windshield wiper fluid as well as the camera electronic connection. But yeah, as you can see, very simply done. And from this video, you know how to swap out the headlight, but you also know how to swap out your grille because it's all in the same process. Very simple, and as always, just remember, if you like this video, please consider to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Stay chill.
What on earth are you doing? Why is that in your mouth? What are you doing? That's
my point of view.
That's disgusting. Why don't you attach it to your hat or something?